Blue10 automates your administration. Blue10 is an ideal assistant for your financial administration. We help organizations with cloud software to automate administrative processes, such as the digital processing of purchase and sales invoices, packing notes, and receipts. All incoming invoices on paper, PDF, and UBL 2.0 come together in one system and are processed using Blue10. Blue10 is available in subscription forms, Scan and Recognize, SME, and Enterprise. On the dashboard, users with a role post can see the status of documents in the organization. The dashboard provides an overview of the successive steps that documents go through from receiving to archiving a document. Invoices that are emailed are automatically sent to Blue10. Paper invoices can be scanned to the linked mailbox in Blue10. With a document splitter, it is easy to split or merge pages of scanned or received invoices within Blue10. You can also mark pages as attachments or delete them if desired. Blue10 automatically recognizes the most important data on an invoice, such as supplier, invoice number, date, and amounts. The Blue10 recognition is self-learning and is getting better as more invoices from the same supplier are processed. In addition to the recognition of invoices, you automatically receive a booking proposal with which you can post an invoice quickly and easily in the accounting system. If necessary, all data in the proposal can be adjusted. If we save the invoice, it will be posted and blocked for payment in the accounting system. After the invoice has been posted, Blue10 receives feedback from the accounting system. Based on this feedback, the invoice in Blue10 is supplemented with an entry number and expiration date, and the posted invoice lines are visible with the invoice. Users can add attachments to the invoice, link packing notes, and compare other invoices from the same supplier. Documents can be checked by one or more employees in the organization. Based on various conditions, such as administration, supplier, cost center, or project, the invoice is automatically sent to the right person in the organization based on a route. We will send this invoice to Sophie. Sophie will receive an email that several invoices are ready to be checked. In this email, you will find a link directly to the login page. Within Blue10, every user has an option to choose different actions when checking an invoice. Here, the invoice is very easily immediately approved with or without an approval limit if it is set for a user. Users can also forward an invoice if they have a question, answer a question, or put it on hold if, for example, you are still waiting for a credit note. Every action and remark can be found in the history, which is shown at the invoice. When an invoice is approved for payment in Blue10, the invoice is automatically unblocked for payment in the accounting system. After payment of the invoice, the payment date is filled and added in Blue10. Blue10 stores all processed documents in the digital archive for a minimum of 12 years. In the invoice overview, a user can search for invoices based on their characteristics. For example, a user can look up previously seen invoices based on invoice number or supplier. From the dashboard, users of the financial administration have an overview of all outstanding invoices within the organization. Depending on the accounting system, Blue10 will place a PDF and/or link to the invoice in Blue10 after the booking. Do you want more information? Contact us via sales@blue10.com or call 0031882583 102.